So we will be playing Dig to Earth Score. Like them. I'm gonna try that. What's this? Okay, you work. Thank you. Oh, I have pickaxe. Wow. What my pickaxe? Wow. Oh, this is nice. I think I have played this before. Oh, I played this before and I didn't even know. I'm so dumb. I'm literally so dumb. I'm so dumb. Stop. I'm literally so dumb. Wait, stop. And I have so much wings. Stop. Yeah, it's the one that has I can fly now, I guess. I believe I can fly. Like it has treasures. Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I remember. Give me that pet. I'm not do I want that pet? Yay, I got a mouse. Okay, let me get that. I don't think you're ready for the takeoff. I ain't gonna be happy without you. Take a ride, oh, it's a takeoff. But nothing to do. So I feel. No treasure, okay. No treasure, okay. Wait, treasure. Two treasure. Oh, three treasure. Ooh, four treasure. Oh, is that a trophy? Give me that trophy. Give me. Yeah. Oh, I'm just looking for treasure. Oh yeah. I also want something like a mouse. Yeah. I mean that's cool. Oh, good. I didn't even notice. But no, it's not gold. It's money, not gold. Wow. Hello. Bro is literally AFK. What is this? Money. That is the first time I have ever gotten that. Like stop. Was that an update or what? Like I'm so lucky to get that. Like bro. It's a money pig. How can you literally not resist? Are you kidding me? No. No. Unclick. I want this money pig. This money pig is so good. I have never known there was a money pig. Like stop. Just let me go. But if there's a cage, I'm gonna get it, okay? Ooh, and money. Just keep that. Give me. Oh, how? Let's see if they have any treasure. Oh, you have lots of treasure. Okay. Yeah. Never mind. We only have a little bit of treasure. I guess that there is treasure here. Yeah, I'm literally so correct. What is this? Bro, I don't have that. I want that. It's like grandma. Wait, what? Is that new? Am I late to the update? Oh my, like it has been. Bro, I will equip that later, but first, ooh, what's this? Is this a panda? Ah! Ooh, please don't do this to me. Oh, there's two. Okay, get me there. Okay, what's this? Is this a cow or an elephant? Oh, I was right, it was a cow. Cow. What's this, panda? Oh, astronaut, yeah. Ooh, let's see if these people. They have something. I want. Never mind. But I still appreciate this. Give me the money. What if we rewrite the stuff? I'll be your idol. Keeping it in check. Keeping obsessed. Tea on the bed. Every time it hurts, they are not a breath. I can be a sanctuary. No. I will let you know any darkness time with them power. Is that Gihon? Oh my, I was literally right. It's Gahon. Gahonai. Galonai. Keeping me. Oh, trophy. Cow. Give me the cow. Kahoy ay kahoy. Okay, let's go kahoy. Wait, kahoy. No, I don't want another mouse. What's the earth? Ew. Let me get this. Keeping you in check. Keeping you obsessed. Tree in your head. Every time it hurts, they're not a breath. I can be a sanctuary. Right now. I will let you know any that brings down modern power. But, sorry. I can be a sanctuary. No, one right now. I will let you know what brings down modern power. My Lord, I gave you a heart. So, you who love your soul. It gets underneath your skin. Again, pushing to the fire. Gonna get a little higher. A little higher. When you set the world on fire. You get away. No, don't you know save you? Unwired. That a mother money stop. Oh, I was correct. It's an epic. Oh my god. Get out, purple wizard. I like the money pay. Oh, the green purple wizards do better. Like better person. I don't know. Oh, I see something. I am not bulag. Or it's a hot puppy. Okay, I guess it. I guess I'll take it. I'm gonna get anything. If there's a pet, I'm stopping. What am I? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that was a prize spot. Our little prize spot. That is a prize spot. Right. So let's just do that. Yeah, no, I don't want that. Whoa. This. I said, what's this? Mouse. Oh, this is the jackpot. With so many items in one place. What is this? Please tell me. I really want to know. Walang power, walang goal, more day of fire. Those jets underneath your skin. Because pushing to fire. Gotta get on my career fire. Give me a desire. Want to set the world on fire. Only the king and things look away. No, you know I'm here to save you. Oh, I'm wired. Yeah, I'm on your knees. I'm your idol. Fire. Nothing idol. He lives like a man. Mana, I will make you breathe. You're all about man. Fire. Can I'm gonna higher. Give me your desire. I just set the world on fire. Cheek and the way. Don't you know I need to say. Mommy, wire. Yeah, your name is gonna be your father. And got me going by if you when I get them higher, give me a desire. Want to set the world on fire. Cheek anyway. Okay, so bye guys. That's all for today. Adio, ador. Keeping me in check. Keeping me upset. Maybe can see on the head. Anytime I text, we are not the best. Can be a century area. Don't know. Right now, I will let you know. Any opens out more power. More than gold. Now you gave me a horn. Now he was only one who loved your sin. That's underneath your skin. It's because I'm reaching to require. Get me a little higher. Give me a desire. Want to set the world on fire. I see you can't take away. Don't you know I need to save you? Now I'm wired. Yeah, you're on your knees. I'ma be your idol. Thank you for the pain because you got me going by. Lovely bye. Oh, bye guys.